guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. So on today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a Barbie inspired makeup look. Barbie is trending right now with the movie and a recent music video that Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice did, which they look fire in. And Barbie is also known for the colors pink and purple, so that's why I incorporated that into this look. I also have another short tutorial on my YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box on me using pink and purple. The colors are very similar and the look may look similar, but they're also different at the same time. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight on into the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so priming my eyelid, I am going in with the P. Louise base in the Rumor shade 0.5, just blending that out. And then right after that, oh my gosh, my face. I'm going in with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder by NYX. And followed by that, I'm going in with the Berries palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going in with that darkest shade and just lining up where I had made that shape, that cut crease shape. And right here, I'm just going to be building up that color with that shade. Right here, I'm going in with this pink shade and putting that right on top of that dark shade that we had just used. Right here, I'm going back in with that dark purple shade and just deepening up the color in my crease. Now I'm taking a more fluffier brush and taking that top pink shade, that lightest pink shade, and placing that right on top of the other pink we used. Yeah. Here I'm going back in with that pink shade just to add more color to the look and to make the blend a little bit more seamless. In the next few clips, I use the same colors that we used prior just to add more depth to the eyeshadow look. Now we moving on to cutting our crease. So I'm taking that really thin brush and some Vaseline. And right here, I'm just lining up where I have made that same cut crease mark because I tend to have my cut creases a little uneven. So I just recently started doing that. But yeah, here's me, just cutting my crease with some Vaseline, well, Aquaphor. Here I'm just taking a makeup wipe and just wiping where I had cut my crease at. Here I'm going in with the pink P. Louise base shade and just continuing cutting my crease. Next, I'm going in with the Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And I'm going in with the shade Becky just to set the base that we use to cut our crease with. Okay, you guys, now we're going back in with the Berries palette by Julia's Place. And this part is going to be a little hard to explain. So I feel like it's just best if you just watch how I do it. Yeah, like just look at me just staring at it because I'm like, yo, this better come out good. But I'm just kind of making like a circle shape right there in the inner corner. And I also do the same thing with the outer corner. But how I learn, I'm a visual learner. So I'm just going to stop talking. Here I'm just taking this dense but almost fluffy brush and going in with that pink and just blending it out after using that dark shade right there. Here I'm going back in with the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to be creating a circle shape right there in the corner of my eye. And yeah, I also do that on the other side as well. Here I'm going in with a makeup wipe and just removing the shape that we created. The reason I'm doing this is because when I put back on that base, it'll be much more of a cleaner surface to work on. Now I'm going back in with the Bright Lights palette and taking that same shade in Becky and just placing that color right on top. Yeah. Here I'm just taking some lash glue and following that cut crease line where I applied my rhinestones. And I got my rhinestones from Amazon. And now I'm just quickly showing y'all my face routine. Now in this clip, I added my lashes off camera, and now everything else is just, self-explanatory. I'm just waterlining my eyes. There go me tearing up per usual. And then I'm just taking those shades and just adding it right under my waterline. I did my lips off camera, and of course you can't forget to highlight your face, girl. Beat to the gourds, okay? Okay. Okay, you guys, so that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Off camera, I did add a little bit more rhinestones here on the sides. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My social media handles are down below in the description box. And until next time, bye.